Postpartum care is crucial for new moms, but what does it really entail? Today, we dive into this topic, exploring what you need to know and do in the challenging weeks after giving birth. Just like the journey of pregnancy, the postpartum period is unique for every woman, and it's a time that requires a lot of care and attention. In this video, we'll touch on the importance of facilitating your body's healing process, the significance of rest and sleep, and the value of seeking and accepting help when you need it. We'll also discuss the benefits of staying active with doctor-approved exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, and monitoring your mental health for signs of postpartum depression. Each of these elements plays a critical role in postpartum care and will contribute to your overall well-being during this pivotal period in your life. So, if you're a new mom or about to become one, this video is for you. Let's get started. First and foremost, after giving birth, your body needs to heal. It's a simple truth, yet so crucial. Childbirth is a monumental event, a feat of human strength that leaves an indelible mark on a woman's body. It's a journey that involves changes, challenges, and recovery. So let's delve into how we can facilitate this healing process. After childbirth, a woman's body is at its most vulnerable, making proper hygiene paramount. Keeping the body clean, particularly the perineal area, is essential. This area between the vagina and the anus has undergone significant strain during delivery. It needs gentle care. Use warm water for cleaning and change sanitary pads often. Avoid using harsh soaps that could cause irritation. Next, let's talk about physical activity. It may be tempting to jump back into your old routine, but your body needs time to recover. You've just performed a miracle after all. So avoid strenuous activity during the initial weeks. Prioritize rest and allow your body to gradually regain its strength. Nutrition is another key player in your body's healing symphony. Your body has expended a great deal of energy, and it needs fuel to repair itself. Focus on a balanced diet rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Hydrate often, and remember, if you're breastfeeding, your nutritional needs are higher. And then, there's the topic of pain management. It's normal to experience discomfort or pain after delivery. Over-the-counter pain relievers can be an ally, but always consult your doctor before taking any medication. Warm baths and cold compresses can also offer relief. Lastly, let's not forget about the importance of follow-up appointments. Your doctor can assess your healing progress and address any issues or concerns. It's your body's journey, but you're not alone in it. Healthcare professionals are there to guide and support you. Remember, healing takes time, so don't rush it. Listen to your body. It's the best guide you have. After all, it's been through a lot and it deserves all the care and patience you can give. Sleep might seem like a luxury when you have a newborn, but it's essential. It's not just about catching up on those precious Z's, but also about recharging your body and mind to take on the demands of a new day with a tiny human. You see, when we sleep, our body gets busy repairing cells, restoring energy, and releasing important hormones. It's like your body's very own pit stop where all the tune-ups happen. When you're sleep deprived, your body misses out on these essential maintenance tasks, leaving you feeling drained, moody, and even more stressed. And let's not forget the power of sleep on our cognitive functions. Ever noticed how everything seems a little foggy after a night of disrupted sleep? That's because sleep plays a crucial role in memory consolidation and problem solving. It's like your brain's nightly housekeeping where it organizes and stores all the day's information. Now we know that with a newborn, the concept of a full night's sleep may seem as elusive as a unicorn. But there are a few strategies you could adopt. One of them is the age-old advice of sleeping when the baby sleeps. It might seem hard to switch off when there's a pile of laundry staring at you, but remember, your rest is important too. Another tip is to create a calming bedtime routine. This doesn't just work for your baby, but for you too. A warm bath, a soothing cup of chamomile tea, or even a few pages of a book can signal your brain that it's time to wind down. And finally, don't hesitate to ask for help. If a partner, family member, or friend can take over baby duties for a few hours, grab that opportunity to get some shut-eye. So, prioritize your sleep. It's not just good for you, but for your baby too. Because a well-rested parent is better equipped to provide care, love, and attention that a newborn needs. It takes a village to raise a child, and it's okay to ask for help. This age-old saying holds especially true in the challenging weeks following the birth of a baby. While it's a joyful time, it can also be overwhelming. And seeking and accepting help can be a crucial part of your postpartum care. Let's face it, nobody expects you to be a superhero. You're already doing one of the most incredible things, nurturing and caring for a new life. So it's perfectly okay to seek assistance, and more importantly, to accept it when offered. So, who do you turn to for help? Start with your partner, if you have one, your family, and friends. They are your closest support system, and they'll likely be more than happy to lend a hand. This could involve helping with household chores, babysitting older children, or even just being there for a chat when you need it. Don't forget about professional resources either. Your healthcare providers, including your obstetrician or midwife, are there to support you. They can provide advice, answer questions, and address any concerns you may have. Next, let's talk about what you can delegate. It can be anything from cooking meals, doing laundry, to running errands. Also, don't be shy to ask for help with baby-related tasks. Many hands make light work, especially when it comes to diaper changes and midnight feedings. It's important to remember, seeking help isn't a sign of weakness. Quite the contrary, it's a testament to your strength and your desire to provide the best possible care for your baby. You're recognizing that to be the best parent you can be, you need to take care of yourself too. Remember, asking for help doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're strong enough to know you can't do it all alone. It's not just about surviving the postpartum period, it's about thriving in it. So reach out, accept help, and remember, it takes a village. Physical activity and a balanced diet can do wonders for your postpartum recovery. Let's talk about staying active first. Exercise, even in its gentlest forms, can significantly aid in your postpartum recovery. It can help you regain strength, boost your mood, and even combat postpartum depression. But remember, it's not about going back to your pre-pregnancy workout routine right away. It's about listening to your body and taking things slow. Start with simple exercises like walking or gentle yoga and gradually increase the intensity as your body allows. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new workout regimen. Now, on to diet. Eating healthy is just as important during the postpartum period. Your body needs a variety of nutrients to heal and recover, not to mention the extra energy you'll need if you're breastfeeding. Aim to include a balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in your meals. Think lean meats, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. And hydration. Don't forget about that. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. It's also worth noting that while it's tempting to reach for quick, processed foods when you're exhausted and short on time, try to resist. These foods often lack the nutrients your body craves and can leave you feeling even more tired. Instead, consider meal prepping or ask a loved one to help with cooking. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to postpartum recovery. What's important is that you listen to your body and make choices that support your physical and emotional well-being. And finally, give yourself grace. This is a time of immense change, and it's okay if you don't have everything figured out. Just focus on taking care of yourself so you can take care of your baby. Remember, a healthy mom makes a happy baby. Last but not least, postpartum care isn't just about physical health, it's about mental health too. So, while you're navigating this new journey, don't forget to keep tabs on your mental well-being. Postpartum depression is a serious condition that affects many new moms, and recognizing the signs early on can make a world of difference. You might feel a persistent sadness, a loss of interest in things you once enjoyed, or perhaps you're having trouble bonding with your baby. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmingly tired, or you're struggling with feelings of worthlessness or guilt. These are all signs that you might need a little extra support. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if these feelings persist. Remember, there's no shame in asking for help. In fact, it's one of the bravest things you can do. So keep an eye on your mental health and don't be afraid to reach out if things don't feel quite right. Remember, it's okay to not be okay. Reach out if you need help. So, there you have it. Essential tips for postpartum care. We've covered everything from facilitating body healing, understanding the importance of rest and sleep, to seeking and accepting help. We've also touched on the significance of staying active and eating healthy, as well as monitoring mental health during this crucial period. Remember, your well-being is paramount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Take care.